What does a 27-litre 1,300 horsepower V12 sound like starting up? But that's not what made these World War II V12s so special. Although ultra rare in modern engines, fork and blade conrods was the norm for large engines back then. This allowed the cylinders to be exactly opposed and the piston power pulses exactly in the center of the crank pins, unlike normal side-by-side conrods. On the Rolls-Royce Merlin, the two-stage supercharger used almost 400 of the engine's horsepower just to run the supercharger, but allowed these engines to make high power up to 30,000 feet. The 37-litre Rolls-Royce Griffin made over 2,000 horsepower and was one of the ultimate V12s to emerge in World War II.